crap.
Interesting.
Oh, another guy in a moped.
Go
my
steal
moped.
the moped. What?
I think the moped's faster than me.
Well, that's what happens when you break your wheel. Oh, dang.
Is there a jump somewhere up here? Left or right? Left or right? Right.
Left.
What? Watch out of the way.
Right there, right there. Is that a jump?
Moped! I can make it on the moped. No! Oh.
Epic jump.
Oh,
Oh god. Ready for this epic jump? Whoa. Oh, are you gonna make it? You're gonna make it up there. Up there. Oh yes. Baby.
Oh!
Yeah, that's how you do it.
Oh, it slowed me down though. I hate when that happens.
Okay.
Why is the flash? Oh, no.
Another jump. Another jump. Go.
It's gotta be up here, right?
I think so. It should be.
I thought it was right there! Okay,
No jump. No jump. Sorry. Oh, there's a jump right here.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh god, I'm about to land. Oh! Oh, there should be one up here, probably. Somewhere on this highway, okay.
Okay, jump.
Alright, there's someone in my way though, so it's gonna be hard. Yes, I lived! Oh.
Oh god.
I lived! Because I jumped out, I lived. It's a dark day for America. My own blood on this truck. It's mine now.
That truck's yours.
I have my own blood on this truck, okay? I'm gonna go drive it off like a jump. I wish I had like C4 so I could blow it up in the air. Tip over.
Oh, okay. Now how are you gonna get it back over?
I'm stuck.
What are you doing? Just circling the guy?
Yeah, he looks like he's about to beat me.
Got two guys on you. No, just one.
Oh shoot, the cops!
Okay, they're not after you.
You know what? I don't like your tone. You can't sort of
Bullshit.
Oh, I hit him in the face again?
I don't know, just shoot him. Climb up the ladder, go up the ladder up there. I believe sometimes there's a helicopter up there. Let's make this quick because my phone's about to overheat. Let's go. My Xbox overheats, my phone does. Everything of mine's just, get in it, get in it, get in it. There are two.
Man, I wish we had Xbox Live. Me and you would be like...
Oh my god. Yeah. There we go. This is great.
I'm getting shot at. Driving to my mom's house.
Now this is pretty cool. You're in a hospital plane. Not plane. Helicopter. Land in that cul-de-sac right there.
What?
Land in the cul-de-sac.
What is that? That?
That thing.
How do I land?
You just kind of slow.
Oh!
Oh god. Okay, lift up. Forget the cul-de-sac. Cops right there.
I don't know how to land.
You're not that good at it. Fly into the closer to the water. You're smoking. and if you land in the water, you might still survive. So stay hovering around the water. You're not that good at landing.
I'm gonna land on this highway.
Okay, go again. Sorry, I had to shut my door. Oh, lift up, lift up.
I thought you told me to land.
I didn't say land on the bridge. I said hover over the water.
Ooh.
I said head near the bridge.
Oh, you see that like tower over there?
Oh, this is the airbase.
Maybe I can hijack a plane.
No, you don't have enough fuel. You're gonna crash soon. Hover over the water and then swim to the airbase. Oh god. I told you to go to the water.
I'm trying to land.
You suck.
I can do it again probably if we get to the hospital.
Okay, this video is gonna end here because my phone's gonna overheat soon. It's really hot. So, go ahead, like, and subscribe.